today we're taking a closer look at these front upper adjustable control arms in black for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKs. These are going to be a perfect option for Jeep owners looking to enhance their vehicle's suspension performance, especially if you're running a lift kit or want greater control over that wheel alignment and that suspension geometry. These front upper adjustable control arms are engineered to provide superior performance and adjustability for your Jeep suspension system. These control arms are fully adjustable, allowing you to fine-tune your caster and pinion angles by simply unscrewing them to the proper length and then locking down the nut, which is particularly beneficial when you're dealing with modified suspension setups or larger tires. Also, their adjustable nature helps extend the life of your suspension components by ensuring proper alignment, which minimizes uneven tire wear and strain on all those other parts. These control arms are built from heavy-duty tubular steel with a black powder coat finish, offering excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The sturdy design ensures they can handle the tough terrain and harsh conditions without compromising performance. Those premium bushings are crafted from durable rubber and polyurethane, providing a balance of flexibility and toughness to absorb impacts and vibrations effectively. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these adjustable control arms, they're going to come in around that mid $100 price range for the pair, making them a cost-effective upgrade for improving your Jeep suspension system and handling. Installing these control arms is going to require just a little bit of mechanical knowledge, since you're going to get into that suspension system to remove your factory control arms, and you're going to want to properly adjust these new ones to suit your Jeep suspension setup. Getting in alignment afterwards might also be a good idea. But on our difficulty meter, this gets a 2 out of 3 wrenches, and you can expect to get the job done in about 1 hour of your time if everything goes smoothly. Now, let's see exactly how these go on with an install video from one of our ExtremeTerrain.com customers.
These are the tools that we used. We used a hammer to help with stuck bolts. We used a crowbar to help adjust the front axle to get the control arms in place. We used an impact to remove the tires. We used a 3/8 ratchet with an 18mm socket to remove the bolts. And over here we have a 18mm impact socket, a 18mm 1/2" socket, and a 19mm that we used to remove the lug nuts with an extension. We have a 1 1/8" wrench that we use to tighten the jam nuts on the control arms. We have 2 18mm wrenches, torque wrench that we used for final torque, and a screwdriver to assist in removing a stuck bolt. So first things first, we want to jack it up, and we want to remove the 2 front tires before starting anything. Before you jack it up, you want to make sure your rear tire is either in park or you have a wheel chuck behind it. Now once the vehicle is firmly on the jack stand and very well supported, now it is time to take off both front tires. And I am using a 19mm to remove the lug nuts. With the wheels out of the way, we're going to use an 18mm ratchet and an 18mm wrench to undo the upper control arm bolts. So now that we are under here, we're going to start on the driver's side, and we are going to remove this 18mm bolt and this 18mm bolt up front. As you're tearing apart, make sure you do not screw up any threads, as we will be reusing all the factory hardware. On this back one, the nut is captured in the frame, so all you will need to do is loosen the bolt from the outside. And then you just need to remove the factory upper link. Next, we will be working on the passenger side. So next we will be adjusting the length of the upper control arms. This is just a start off point for where to adjust them. You'll have to take it to an alignment shop to get your final adjustment length to set your steering. So an easy way to do it is just to set the steering on, or the arms on top of each other, and thread your one end in and out to get your final length. So next we will be installing the control arms into place. So first we will be starting with installing the driver side. So when you install these, you will want to make sure this grease fitting back here is facing down so you can service the joint. And you want to tighten this up just till finger tight, and we'll be torquing it later. And same thing on the front. And once you get it in, it will slide right in. You will want to torque the upper end to 100 foot-pounds and the lower end to 85 foot-pounds with the rubber bushing. And sometimes you will have to hold the nut on the back just to get it started. And you'll want to wait till your torque wrench pops. Just like that. And then you'll want to adjust it down to 80 for the front. Snug up your bolt with the wrench before you start. Once it starts to tighten up, you will want to grab your torque wrench and torque it to spec. Just like that. Once you move your wrench, you'll want to go to the side with the nut on it, and you will want to tighten your nut with 1 1/8" wrench. You'll want to tighten this jam nut up on this joint. Now on the passenger side, we will want to do the same as the driver, and now the driver side is complete.
All right, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the front upper adjustable control arms in black for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.